Turn on your Chrome browser and open an empty page. Right-click your mouse, then click the last option, Inspect. You'll see this new page. Go to the top bar and search for a button named Console. Click the Console button and you'll see a page like this. This is a development tool kindly provided by Chrome for free. We can use it to run and test our JavaScript programs. First, let's type some random numbers. Then press the Enter button. After we've pressed the Enter button, Chrome will repeat the number we typed in the next line. Let's try numbers with a decimal point. The same result. If we type a number with 2 or more decimal points, what do you think will happen? No correct numbers will have more than 1 decimal point. As a result, we've got a warning saying something's wrong. So next, let's try some letters. But we've got an error report. If we wrap the letter in single quotes, the error report will disappear. If we try double quotes, the result's the same. So why? The reason we show you this experiment is to introduce you to a very important concept: data type. A computer program is about handling data. Just like a library will divide all books into a different genre, computer languages will use different data types to help manage the data. Different computers have a different rule regarding how data is divided and categorized. For JavaScript, the most commonly used data types are number, string, boolean, array, undefined, null, and object. If you have a background in other languages, you'll be surprised to find that for JavaScript, 8 is the same as 8.0. Most languages will regard 8 as an integer and 8.0 as a float, but JavaScript will treat 8 and 8.0 as the same type, the number type. If we directly input letters, we'll be given an error report. But if we put those letters into quotes, things will be fine. So why? The letters we input belong to the string type. Almost every language requires you to wrap strings in quotes. This is why we need the quotes. So let's go back to the error report. Read it carefully. We're told that what we've just input is undefined. In JavaScript, undefined is also a data type. In the future, you'll actually meet this undefined data type a lot. Boolean type has only 2 values, true and false. In the future, you'll be using the Boolean type all the time. Let's type 8 bigger than 1. Press Enter and we get true. This is because 8 is bigger than 1 is a correct statement. If we type 8 is smaller than 1, we get false, because 8 is bigger than 1 is a false statement. Null means empty, non-existent. It has only got 1 value, null.